Hi, in this video today I'm going to try to explain how the end timer feature works on this Bosch oven. It's very complicated, and when you read the instructions it's a bit confusing, but once you get your head around it, it does make sense. So you might notice that when the oven is on, it comes up with new symbols. If I was to hit this one now, you can see it just has a rotation of 3 before it's back to the time again. But when we've actually put the oven on, we do have some new symbols come on. So right now I'm on the oven here, and if I hit this now, we've now got this new symbol. And we've now, if we were to enter something into that, we would now have another symbol come up here. That's the cooking time and the end time. So I'll try to explain it and then hopefully it will make more sense. Pretend now we want to cook a chicken and it's going to take 1 hour. That would be the cooking time. So you would set the cooking time to 60 minutes. But you might want the chicken to be ready at 5 p.m. and it might only be 1 p.m. now. So you would set the end time to 5 p.m. and the oven by itself, without you touching anything, will start coming on at 4 p.m. for 1 hour. So the chicken's done by 5 p.m. So it is actually quite a useful feature. So pretend now, because obviously I'm not going to sit here for hours on video, pretend now we want something to be cooked at 2 o'clock. So this is a 24-hour clock. So at 1400 we want something to be cooked, and it's going to take 3 minutes to cook. We want it to come on at 13:57. We can do this all automatically. So you're going to set the oven, you're going to set the temperature of the oven, now we're going to set the timer, which is what this video is about. So we're going to hit this button here, and again, until this symbol comes up. This is the cooking time. You've also got to be quick because it reverts back after a couple of seconds. So do that again, and now we're going to hit the plus, and we want to set it for 3 minutes for the purpose of this video. But if you're doing your chicken, you might want it set, for example, to 1.5 hours, and you would be going all the way up to here, like so. But we're going to set it just to 3 minutes, like that. Now we're going to hit this button again, and this will be the end time. So remember I said I wanted the end time to be 2 o'clock, 1400 hours. That's it. If you have a look now, the oven itself has just turned itself off. You can only do these settings when the oven's on. These little symbols are not available if the oven's off here, so you have to have the oven on. So right now, this is going to come on at 13:57, and after 3 minutes, it's going to turn itself off, which will be 2 o'clock. So if we get our phone, I'll just show you that. Our phone right now is 13:56. So when this gets roughly, it's not synced up perfectly, there's a few seconds in the difference. When this gets to 13:57-ish, the oven's going to come on, and it will come on for 3 minutes. Now obviously, you have to physically set the temperature to the correct temperature for your chicken or whatever you're cooking, and you've got to set it here whether you want it on your grill or your oven, and whether you want it fan assisted, etc. So if you have a look here now, we are at 13:57, so this should be coming on any second now. There we go, and now it's come on, and it's come on, you see it's going to come on for 3 minutes. And then at the end of the 3 minutes, it's going to beep just like you would have your normal timer set. So it's going to give you 9 beeps, and it will automatically turn the oven off. So it is actually a really useful feature once you get your head around it. So just to explain again about the chicken, it's midday and you put the chicken in the oven, you get the temperature set correctly, and you know the chicken's going to take 2 hours. It's a big chicken, it's going to take 2 hours to cook, and you want it ready for 6 o'clock. Well, you're going to set the cooking time to 2 hours, and you're going to set the end time to 6 o'clock, and then this will automatically come on at 4 o'clock to be ready for 6 o'clock. So we're just going to fast forward through the video now until this gets to 0, and you will see the oven will turn itself off, and it will also beep as well. Right, if you watch now, it's going to go off any second, and the time is 2 o'clock. And there we go. It's going to give you an audible, it will give you 9 beeps, and the oven itself is off. So it's a very useful feature, but slightly confusing when you read the instructions. But once you get your head around it, you can see how it would be useful. Thanks for watching, everyone.